Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing a fun Shay Mitchell style makeup look. This is the bronze look that the photo that I'm going with, and I'm going to try and stick to as many of the similar colors that she has. I'm doing like the bronze cheeks and the smoky brown eyes, the lids, and the kind of the plump lip. If you like this type of look and you want to see how I got the Shay Mitchell look, then please stay tuned. To start the base, I did already apply this Glossier priming moisturizer, and because Shay has flawless, completely flawless skin in that particular photo, then I'm going to use a more full coverage foundation today. And the one that I have that's the fullest coverage is the Haus Labs. So I'm going to use this and just kind of blend it all over and go from there. She's obviously on the very tan side, and I'm not trying to look like her skin tone wise because I have fair olive skin, and I'm just trying to imitate some of her makeup style, the makeup look, the techniques perhaps, and I'm just going off of a photo, and I thought it'd be fun to apply her makeup look to myself because I always thought she had such a beautiful, kind of a natural but bronzy look to her style, because she has like the medium complexion, medium tan. Then the bronzy look looks really good on her. So I'll just see what I can do with my own skin tone, because I'm not trying to change the overall look of myself. I'm adding my perez concealer. She has definitely full coverage and flawless base, so that's what I'm trying to achieve here. In that show, Pretty Little Liars, her makeup was always pretty minimal, which I always really enjoyed. But the other character's makeup that I loved was Aria, so Lucy Hale. It could be because she had like kind of the glammed up look, and I love that as well. I will set my eyes with just whatever's, I have just a little bit left of the Laura Mercier powder from my little sample. So I'm using that up today, and then it's all done. Kind of setting the T-zone, and I'll bring back some of the shine later because she has definitely like a glowy, beautiful, dewy skin. So I'll do that later. Next thing I'm going to do is add some shape and dimension to the face because she's very bronze. I'm going to add some contouring to myself. So I'm just using this Makeup by Mario skin enhancer. I'm gonna add it everywhere I need it to look a bit more defined, more angular, because we do have a different looking face, and to kind of achieve just the sharp cheeks, the angles, there's a little bit of definition that happens. The bronzer I've chosen for today is this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm going to kind of focus in some areas here and make it more, add more depth in like the cheek, the hollow of the cheek area here. Just add a little bit under the chin area. In the eye sockets. Just a little bit up here to add contour and definition. See, it's already looking a lot more shapely and defined. And I will do my eyebrows because she has really thick and defined brows. So I'm going to use my brow pencil and make mine a little bit thicker, but also a little straighter across. There's not really any arch in this particular photo. Sometimes she has, I feel like sometimes she does have arches in her brows in other photos, but not in this particular photo. So I'm just kind of putting the pencil there. Looks a little weird right now, but I will blend it out in just a moment. That looks really good. For blush, I'm going to use just a peach blush that I have. This is one of Patrick Ta's older blushes, but I'm using a peach because it kind of looks like there's a bit of peach in her cheeks. And you can pick whatever peach you have in your own collection. This is just kind of the softest one that I have. For my lips, before I get to the eyes, I'm going to use a contour lip liner from Pat McGrath. I know she has big and juicy lips, which I don't. And to keep with sort of the plump, juicy look, I'm just gonna use a lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays in Vanilla Beige. I know her lips don't exactly look glossy. They look pretty matte. I think she most of the time has a matte lip, but I need to add a little bit more plump to my look. So for the eyeshadow palette, I have chosen to go with this Cosmetics Divine Skies. I thought this was absolutely perfect colors for the look that she has. So I'm going to use this kind of reddish color in there and go all over the lid. She has a lot of red on the upper lid. She definitely has like a smoky brown look that is always so pretty. It in fact looks a lot like those like mocha latte looks, but hers, she's always had that look going on, so she probably started it. Then I'll definitely bring the same color down to the lower lash line. Gotta create that smokiness all the way around the eyes. And I don't normally put kind of a darker eyeshadow color right here in the inner corner. I will use some of that darker brown and bring it closer to the lash line and add a bit of smokiness, and then lower lash line too, for sure. And I'll just kind of smudge it out, smoke it out. Different looks are so fun to replicate on yourself because then you kind of see like what other people's makeup style looks like on yourself. And there's a lot of things that maybe you wouldn't ever do on your own face or consider doing. And it just kind of gives you new ideas with your own makeup. I might put a little bit of that dark. I know she has more of a hooded lid. I'm just kind of guessing what is under under the lid, under the hood. I'm just gonna add some shadow there. For my own smoky eye, this is like what I would do. Nice and smoky near the lash line. Then I'll probably bring back some of that red. Bring it up a little higher. Hers is definitely a more intense look So I'm like hesitant to like take it too far because I have a lighter skin tone. Don't want to go too far. Yeah, and that might be fine for now. And then what I'm going to do is add an eyeliner along the lash line to make it a little bit more intense. And I'm going to add it in the lash line. Her eyes are always kind of smoked out in the waterline, so I'm just kind of doing that. Yeah, that definitely adds more intensity. And I'll curl my lashes, add the mascara. The eyes are all finished there. What I might do is add a little bit more of a darker brow color. So I'm just gonna go into one of my eyeshadow palettes where I have like a cooler toned brown, and I'm going to add a bit more darkness into my brows and just kind of straighten them out. And bring some of that brow intensity that she has going on into my own brows. I'm going to use the eyeliner and bring it into the whole upper lid and just kind of line my whole upper lid. Because her lid is all dark because I know she's wearing fake lashes, which I'm not going to do that, but I'm just going to add more of that depth, that volume and thickness in the lashes just with color. For a final touch, I'm adding some highlight to the face, just where I want the cheeks and the high points to pop. Definitely has quite a bit of glow just all over the face. It's like that golden, beautiful look. I might add a bit more bronzer too, so I'm just gonna use a bigger fluffy brush and just kind of add it everywhere. That is really pretty, and I think that's pretty much it. Basically, she just has this beautiful smoky eye that's in the brown neutral tones, and this is the look that I came up with on fair skinned. I don't want to go too far with the contrast because it does come off different, and I want it to be similar but not the same. So she has the plump lips, the bronze skin, the dark eyes, and it's just such a beautiful combination, and it's a really pretty makeup style that is perfect for every day, really. And so this is my take on the Shay Mitchell mocha look, the bronze look that she has all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for my next video. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.